Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to put Slack on your phone. So first, you need to install and set up your Slack. Go to Play Store and search for Slack. And hit the installation. Now, open Slack app and tap on the Get Started button. Enter your email address and tap Next. A check your email message will appear on the screen for email address confirmation. If you have your work account open in your phone's email app, then tap Open Email App and it will redirect you to the email app for confirming your email address. Otherwise, sign in to your email account in the incognito mode of your phone's browser. Next, open the email you received from Slack for confirmation and tap on the Confirm Email Address button. Thereafter, tap Open in Slack to complete the confirmation process. The browser will ask if you would like to stay or leave the incognito mode. Tap on the Leave button and proceed. Next, the Slack app will be launched. Confirm the language as English or other as per your preference. And that's it. You have signed in to your Slack account and you're ready to rock your corporate conversations and stay in touch with your coworkers anywhere, anytime with Slack on Android. As an additional note, Slack can be used for personal use too, so don't hesitate to create a Slack group of friends or family to plan projects, vacations, and more. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.